Hello, hello, hello. It is Stephanie Deeds, your favorite realtor here at the Deeds Group, and I am coming at you today with your Fun Fact Friday. So I wanted to today talk about why now is a great time to list your house. And I'm calling this a fun fact because I think that there is a little bit of a misconception out in the public right now that it's a scary time to sell your house because of the pandemic and with COVID happening. Some people get a little bit nervous when it's an election year and they're not really sure what the economy is going to do. So really what I want you to know is that now is a great time to list your home. This is the example I'm going to give you. So you all know Faith, who is on our team, who is fantastic, and she has been working with a buyer that she just put under contract. In order to win a house that they wanted to buy, there was 15 offers or something. They ended up offering a lease back to the seller that was some extended period of time. It was this whole crazy deal, and buyers are having to be that creative to win these deals because there is so little inventory that when a great home comes on the market, there's too many buyers that want to get a hold of it. So ultimately, where everybody was kind of concerned that COVID would affect our market in a negative way, what it's actually done has made it even more of a seller's market because people got nervous. They didn't want people inside of their house because of the virus. And of course, if that's the way that you feel and you are concerned about your health and safety, then absolutely now is not the time for you to sell. However, if you're feeling a little bit more comfortable with things as the economy has started to open up, people are going to restaurants, people are shopping, all of those things. If you feel okay about people walking through your house, now is a great time to do it, okay? Also, it is a great time to buy as well. It's a little bit of a challenge, but if you have a great agent working with you who knows how to work the system a little bit and figure out what things are gonna make your offer more attractive, interest rates are in the low 3s. If you do a 15-year note, I think they even drop into the 2s, okay? So interest rates are super low. So that's another reason that there is so little inventory, too many buyers. You've got a lot of buyers entering the market because they want to take advantage of these great rates, okay? So that is my fun fact. It is a great time to list your house in the midst of pandemic, election year, all the chaos that is happening in our society right now. I'll tell you one of the reasons that when you're ready to sell right now that you should call us at the Deeds Group. It does matter who you have list your home. You can't just let any agent put it into MLS for you and see what happens. I'm gonna tell you that what we do works and we're super proud of it, okay? So we have a professional photographer. She's amazing. Usually my clients tell me, oh my gosh, I wanna buy my own house again, so they love how the photos turn out. So it's going to look fantastic on MLS. We are going to be super thorough in our description of how we do things. Those property descriptions, I pour over those. Myself and my marketing coordinator, we sit down together and try to figure out the best vocabulary to adjectives and all those things to pull people in. They do read them, they are important. So you don't want an agent who's just gonna put great 3-bed, 2-bath in a fantastic neighborhood. That could be anywhere. Okay, so we're gonna highlight the specifics of your house. We're gonna do virtual tours, which means that I am gonna walk through the house. I'm gonna do a video of it. We're gonna do it on Facebook Live. We're gonna post it in all the places. We do a ton of social media content. We use a program called AdWorks that's getting your home listed on different websites. If you're familiar with how remarketing works, you'll see your own house. My favorite thing is when my seller calls me and says, I was scrolling through Facebook and I saw an ad with my own house on it. So, because that does happen, okay? So what makes us really great at what we do is we do all those things that agents have been doing for 30 years. We send out mailers and we do open houses and we do, we used to door knock when it wasn't COVID, so we do all of the things that agents have been doing forever that work, but we also do all the new things. We do all the tech, we do all the streaming, we do all of the, new and exciting things that you have to do to stay relevant in this market. So call us so that we can make sure that your home is relevant in this market and it will sell fast. The housing market is chaos in the most positive way. So if you have questions about this, your specific property, your neighborhood, your area, your city, your town, whatever, we are more than happy to help. It's what we do. Please call me, text me, let me know, and we would love to help you out. Have a fantastic weekend and we'll see you soon.